So in the question it says the first four terms in the sequence are 3, 8, 13, 18. Find the nth term of the sequence. You know this is the topic on arithmetic sequence. And in arithmetic sequence, the number goes up by the same values. So let's have a look at that. That's 3, 8, 13, 18. That looks good to me because this goes up by 5. The second term to the third term goes up by 5. Likewise, from the third to get to the fourth term, you add 5. So you know that the first term is 3. So A is the letter that we use for the first term. And then D is equals to 5. That is the common difference. Now you need to be familiar with all these terms. So that's the common difference. And the nth term, according to the formula that we need to memorize, un is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So the nth term, according to this, a is the value of 3, n minus 1, d is 5. Now you expand the bracket, you get 3. 5 times n is 5n. And 5 times 1, or negative 1, is minus 5. So you end up with 5n minus 2. So the nth term is equals to 5n minus 2. Part B, is 107, so the question says, is 107 a term in the sequence? Explain your answer by showing working. So if 107 is a term, 5n take away 2 must be equals to 107. And n, in this case, has to be an integer. It has to be a whole number. So basically, you're trying to solve this to see whether you can get a nice value for n. And if n is a nice whole number, then 107 is a term in the sequence. So plus 2 both sides, 5n is equals to 107 plus 2. 5n is equals to 109. N equals to 109 over 5. And you can see it doesn't give you an integer. It's not a nice number because 109 cannot be divided by 5 fully. Or should we say 5 doesn't go into 109. Therefore, our conclusion is 107, which is the value that we're trying to work out, is not in this sequence. That's it.